Thank you. Motion number 2, Azad Jammu and Kashmir. Councillor Khizr, you move the motion as set out on the agenda, please.
Thank you, Mr. Mayor. In a world where there is currently so much going on and so much noise being made, whether that be with the football, Iran, Ukraine, or anything the international media attention is fully focused on right now, there's also the disturbing stories and scenes inside of Azad Jammu and Kashmir, which is the Pakistan-administered Kashmir for those members that didn't know. There are currently an estimated 14 to 15,000 residents in Rochdale who are of Kashmiri heritage, representing approximately 6 to 7% of the borough's population. Many of these residents have close family ties to Azad Jammu and Kashmir. It is estimated that several thousand British citizens also reside in Azad Jammu and Kashmir, many of whom originate from Rochdale. Many of us councillors from all political parties will have been contacted by residents expressing their concerns regarding the safety and well-being of their families and loved ones in Azad Jammu and Kashmir, with whom they've had no contact with in over a month due to the communication restrictions and internet blackouts. These people have come to the streets to peacefully protest for their basic rights to food, water, electricity, healthcare and education. They're receiving no support from the government to begin with, and when they choose to peacefully protest, their own government has brought in reinforcement from Pakistan, including the army and rangers, resulting in a great deal of disruption, violence, loss of life and injuries to both protesters and the security personnel. It is believed that over 100 people have lost their lives in just under a month and many severely injured. We extend our sincere condolences to the families of those who have lost their lives, and our thoughts are with all those affected by the current situation. We ask the Council to write to the Prime Minister and the Foreign Secretary outlining the position of this Council, including concerns of residents, and requesting that His Majesty's Government uses diplomatic influence to encourage the governments of Pakistan and Azad Jammu and Kashmir respectively to exercise restraint, de-escalate tensions and engage in constructive dialogue to address the concerns that have given rise to the current situation. This Council also calls upon His Majesty's Government to engage with the Government of Pakistan to engage the restoration of communications, including internet services, and to ensure that humanitarian assistance, including food, water and medical supplies, can reach those in need in Azad Jammu and Kashmir. Furthermore, this Council calls upon the governments of Pakistan and Azad Jammu and Kashmir to ensure that the families of those who have lost their lives receive appropriate support and compensation where applicable, and that the bodies of the deceased are returned promptly